Hi, this is my first time to watch a theater production from the first row.
It's true.
I can see up close, every member of the cast was really into it and really helped, bring me into the world. So I love it. And my question is about the set, because from here, I'm really impressed by the set as well. So using the immigration center and then all the props to transport us outside of this place. So I'm curious how it went. What was the conceptualization for it?
From the conceptualization with Nel, so doon kami nag-start ni Nel doon sa kung paano namin ito i-modernize, kung paano namin siya dadalhin sa isang spasyo kung saan makakatawid o magka-transcend kami, space pala. Kaya din ito yung napiling space. And then, from how it expand and contract. So yun yung main concept. And to solve the problem then doon sa depth ng space. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, naka-vanishing, naka-false perspective, one point perspective yung buong space toward sa isang point. So from there, ginamit din namin siyang metaphor nung dream dun sa point na yun, even if na malayo siya, even if na yung point na yun yung nag-iisang area lang na titingnan mo. Pero etong book space ay yun yung una at yun lang din titingnan. Kasama nito like box. Tapos pag-merge din nung medieval prop and then yung modern prop. So yun din, also with Hershey's help dun sa costume na meld together yung concept ni Nel. So, yeah. Nakakabo pala to.
Congratulations.
Yun yung first time na nag-live kanina yun.